Hi, this is Carol, and I'm about to show you everything that I can tell you about Google Drive, which is another application from Google with all its various applications that have helped tremendously in getting my work done. So, Google Drive is a file storage and synchronization service by Google that allows users to store files in the cloud, synchronize files across devices, and share files with other users. So to get to Google Drive, you can either type into the URL field drive.google.com, or you can go to the 3x3 matrix and click on Drive application. That will bring you to this window that you see right here. So there's some very basic things that we have on the very left, commands that we have, like if we want to start a new folder or a file folder, Google Docs, they give us all these new things we can do. Like we can name a folder and store things in that right on the drive, or we can upload a folder or upload a file from our computer that we already have that's not part of Google Drive. Or we can start a brand new Google Doc or Google Sheet. Google Doc is the equivalent of Microsoft Word. Google Sheet is the equivalent of Microsoft Excel. Google Slides is the equivalent of PowerPoint. And Google Forms is a type of document that you can create tests and quizzes and homeworks and classwork assignments for your students. So those are all the basics that you have in Drive. So if I have a PDF file, I can right click and open with a Google Doc, and it will open with Google Docs, and it will be something I can edit. So if I wanted to take a file that I have on my computer, like, let me just search for a PDF here. Say like this. Here's a resume. So I have this resume that's a PDF that I've downloaded to my computer. So there's the resume. I can't edit it in the form it's in. It's a PDF. But if I wanted to open it with a Google Doc, I just open with Google Docs. And now it is a document that I can actually edit if I wanted to change some things. So that's a cool feature that Google Drive can convert files back and forth between PDFs and docs and sheets. It's awesome. I love it. So if I want to take the PDF and not type everything, that's an easy way to convert it. So then let's say I have a test I want to copy and it's a PDF that I can't edit. I can right click and open with Google Docs again, and it's going to pull all of the words into a Google Doc. It won't be perfect, but it'll be a pretty good document showing most of it. It won't convert images or formulas too good. However, it will have converted most of the text, saving me time that I don't have to retype the entire document again. So if I wanted to bring up again, file, actually, let me get back to my drive. File upload. And I can bring up I do not know if it's recording right now or not. So I want to bring up one of my complimentary supplementary tests quizzes. So this is a PDF I can again open with Google Docs, and it won't convert all of my formulas or images, but it will turn it into a form that I can edit. So it's another handy thing that Drive does for us.